Hi, I'm Uncle Mark. Welcome to the channel. So you're working on a GM 3400. This might be similar in the 3100. Don't quote me on that. And you're doing intake manifold gaskets probably, and you're at the push rod stage trying to put them back together, and maybe you're a little mixed up what the order is. Well, hopefully it will help you out a little bit. Should have had that order saved earlier, but don't fret. I'm going to show you a little bit of a trick, and hopefully this can help you continue with the project. Let's get started. You'll want to store your rockers and your push rods in the order that you took them out. And this is what's interesting. They are different lengths. So you want to make sure that it goes back in the right position. And again, it's good not to mix them up as it is, but maybe you have, and that's maybe why you're at this video. So I'll show you which position the long ones go in and which position the short ones go in. Both heads are actually the same, just one's flipped around. So we take a look at the head here, and I'll show you which are the long ones, which are the short ones, and again, put them in the same spot that you took them out of. You'll see there's two different lengths. Once you put the rod in and you put the rocker on top of it, I would rotate the engine until the push rod goes down in the engine as far as it can. That'll have the least amount of stress on your rocker. Then you can tighten it and do your torque spec to it, then do the next one, rotate the engine. You don't want to do them with the push rod up as high as it can be, because you'll probably break something or strip the hole that the rocker arm bolt goes into. So that's going to do it for the video. Hopefully it was of help. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the content here. Put a link right here. You can also give me the thumbs up, please. And since you're still here, I'm going to put a playlist right up here on the 3400, some tips and tricks of this engine, because there may be other things you need to fix one of these days, and you'll know exactly where to find it. So save it. Until next time, Uncle Mark saying thanks for joining me. Hopefully I saved you a little bit of a headache. Bye-bye for now, and you and your family stay safe. Remember to be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number one. Please subscribe, and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.